Hi guys, I'm the Kidsplainer, and in this video, I'm going to teach you how to swing on a swing set. It's one of the funnest things you can do. It's a little tricky at first, but when you get it, it's easy. The seat goes right here, under your legs. You put your hand somewhere on the chain that feels comfortable. There's two motions to swing. The forward motion, and then the backward motion. The forward motion, you pull back and put your legs forward. The backward motion, you tuck your feet. I'm going to demonstrate that, not swinging. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Like that. How to start is you can either get someone to push you, or you can walk back as far as you can and then let go to get momentum. Now, I'm going to demonstrate two motions to swinging. Let's get started. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Pull back, put your legs forward, tuck your feet. Like that. You keep doing that and you get higher and higher. How to stop is when you're going backwards, just drag your feet on the ground a few times and you'll stop. Right. Now that you know how to swing, try it out. I know you'll get it. It'll be one of the funnest things you can do at a playground. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm the Kidsplainer, and I'll see you next time.